Come on now, join with me, everybody.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to make rain. So rain. I need my raincoat and my umbrella and my raincoat. The supply we need is 2 jars, baby oil, shaving cream, blue food coloring, 2 plastic bottles with water. The first step is to use a nail to put holes in the bottle cap. The teeny weeny bottle is empty. We're going to start it. I can see the nail inside the cup. Wow, that means I can.
Bagay po.
Ta-da! This is our rainmaker. We already added water in there. Now we're going to do some magic. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da-da! Now we're going to pour our baby oil in. Come on, baby oil. Look how bubbly it is. I'm running out. Okay, that's how I got that word. The next step is to put shaving cream in the bottle. Shake it. That's why it's called shaving cream. I think I'm gonna call it shaking cream. Shaking. Let's put it like this and then okay. Now we're going to turn on the rainmaker and pretend it's water vapor down in the clouds, and then when it gets heavy enough, whoosh in the baby oil. Go, go, go. Stead, go! Squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Oh, what's going in? Whoa! Wow! Look at mine. Look at mine. Awesome. Thank you. Clean it. This is the rain, but it actually looks like an ocean. Guys, would you like to see this?